All right, so we're gonna make some chuck steaks for dinner tonight. I had a whole chuck roast. I cut it up into three pieces, and we'll season them. This is what the slices look like. We'll season them just with some Montreal steak seasoning. We'll do this, it is about 1 o'clock today. Take them out, put them on the smoker, get a quick reverse sear on it, and then, yeah, that'll be our dinner for tonight. So we'll be doing chuck steaks. Seasoned up nicely, get it all the way around the edges. In the freezer bag. Okay, let's put these in the fridge. Sure it doesn't fall. Okay, so we got the chuck steaks marinated. They're in the fridge. They'll be in there for about 3 hours. Later, we'll turn the smoker on, get that going, toss the steaks on there, and enjoy. Then we'll put it to 225, smoke it low and slow, throw it on the grill, get some nice grill marks. Here we go. So naturally, I forgot to put on bug spray. Got kind of spoiled with the temps being cooler this time of year. Didn't put any on, and my ankles got eaten up. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that. Ugh. Put the bug spray on now. All right. Now we'll go grab the chuck steaks. Wheat. They've been marinating for a few hours now. Take them out, put them on the smoker for a couple more hours, toss them on the grill, get a nice sear on each side, cut it up, and then enjoy dinner. Okay, got our bug spray. Got our marinated chuck steaks. Haven't done this yet, so we'll see how this turns out. Usually we'll put chuck steaks in the air fryer, but let's do this. Whoa, that was close. All right. For about an hour and a half, 2 hours, smoking at 225. So check these bad boys out. Let's close this up, get the grill on really quick. I'm gonna let this go for just a couple minutes. Okay, I think we have, oh, yep, that's pretty warm. It down. Maybe I'll let it go for a couple more minutes, but I do want to get those chuck steaks off of the smoker. Yeah, check it out. Oh yeah.
It looks like a regular real steak.
Gonna be all fancy with them ribeyes. Poor man's ribeye, and that's fine. But I'm not a poor man, I'm a rich man. I have a loving family. I have a loving wife. I have 11 kids. I have 11 kids. That didn't make any sense, did it? All right. Did you know there is a shutdown setting on the smoker? It takes like, these damn mosquitoes. It takes like 20 minutes for it to properly shut itself down. I don't know the technical reason for why, but after ruining enough electronics of my own over the years, I've learned to, you know, let things shut down properly how they should be. So let me show you what that looks like real fast. Here, set temp. Let it shut down, and it'll slowly shut it down. Ooh, before we cut away, check out the chuck sticks. Oh yeah. Yep. We're back. Come on. Waiting for the face tracking. Let's reset it. Okay, we're good. Now, let's get these over to the grill. Okay, it's over. Hello. All right. Piping, searing hot, searing. Is my microphone on? I think it is. Number one.
Let's go at an angle and try to make it look really cool and fancy like, okay?
Okay. Ow! Grills are hot. Son of a... Good, good. I saw that if you do like a quarter turn, that should give it like a nice like cross pattern. I don't know that I have the grill hot enough right now to do that, but tried it and we will see what happens. Okay. Now let's flip them. Oh man, those look good. All right. See you inside. Okay, and for sides, we'll do some roasted potatoes and broccoli. So let's chop up the potatoes, get them in the cast iron, and cut up these steaks. Got the potatoes chopped up, we get them seasoned, we'll put some olive oil, parsley, salt, pepper, and then toss them in the cast iron. I got it. My wife just slid the garlic over. I had some parsley, garlic, I almost said parkley. Parsley, garlic, salt, pepper. That's it. Here, be careful with that. Then for the cast iron pan, used to season it with olive oil, but we went to a local ranch, a ranch local to us. I've been using this beef tallow from Parker County Beef, and this is great. All right, now we're settled. I almost hit my eye on this. Sheena. I gotta pay attention to where the camera is and then also where the kitchen equipment is, or where the kitchen stuff is at. All right, let's get these cooked up.
Almost done.
Yes. Looks like it came out quite nicely, even with the temperature being a little bit over, because it was at like 140 when it was at like 140 when I took it off. It still came out pretty nicely. My daughter. That's all I'm gonna say. All right. So since we're doing chuck steaks, we're gonna be doing this in slices. Won't portion it out how we would do like a normal steak. I'll cut them up into slices and then we will spread it out on the cutting board, put some tongs down, and then we can each get our own serving size of these. Man, we gotta make it look all fancy. Ooh, but first, oh man, look, this got a nice smoke ring. Look at that. Got a pretty nice smoke ring on there. All right, let's try this bad boy out. Okay. And then the second one. Oh, this is the second one. Ooh, yeah, you can.
See the smoke ring on this one too. Let's see if we can get the lighting right on here. But yeah, you can see it right here. Check it out. All right.
Trying to make it look all fancy and whatnot.
Just want to do it for the gram, make sure I got a good picture of it. And that's dinner for tonight. Smoked chuck steak, roasted potatoes, broccoli, and a fruit medley that my wife put together. Some red dragon fruit, strawberry, mango, and watermelon. Have a great night, everybody.